Hey everyone, I want to thank you so much for all of your hats that you're making out there. Today I'm doing another mail time and calling out to you guys and just letting you have your moment on camera with all the beautiful blue hats that have been coming in and your amazing support for Hat Not Hate. I'm beyond thankful. So today we have a lot of mail to get through. If you sent in a hat, hopefully I have it. Hopefully this inspires you to maybe make more hats. And if you haven't made any hats, maybe this video inspires you. Again, the whole mission about Hat Not Hate is to bring awareness to the epidemic that is bullying. So let's get to unboxing. Margie S. in Ohio. Woo! It's like Christmas and Hanukkah all in one. Oh my, look at all of this. Wow, 13 hats, Margie. Thank you so much. I appreciate your effort. Look at all these. Look at this. I love the blue. Ooh, let me get to this one here. Julie Lynn Friss in California. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. 16 hats? You crazy girl, I love it. No, you're not crazy, you're actually very sane because you're helping me achieve a goal that is crazy. Thank you so much for these beautiful blue hats. Each hat makes a difference, everybody. Everyone says, well, I can't make, this many hats, or that's too many, or I can only do one. One is more than I had before. Every stitch counts and every hat matters. And we're all becoming change makers, which is really cool. We're making this campaign loud and proud and communicating how we all stand up against bullies. And I just feel so appreciative of all your efforts out there. Guys, we're running a really cool contest. The most amount of hats from a person or a group. First prize, $500. And then second prize is $250, which is awesome. Think of all the yarn that you could buy with that money. I mean, I'm not a yarn pusher, but I'm just saying. So definitely get your friends together or just start making a lot of hats. And remember to send it out by August 1st. It's postmarked August 1st. That's the last day you have to send it in. And the best part of it is Lion Brand will make a matching donation of $750 to Box Out Bullying, which is the organization that we have partnered with for 2019. They're a great anti-bullying organization. They do wonderful things across the country. Let's get these blue hats. Let's hit that 25,000 mark. I believe that we can because we are determined crafters, and when there is a mission, we shall complete it. This one, I just want you to know, comes from Canada, and I love her so much because she just wrote good luck with a heart on it. Just thank you. Thank you so much. My good friend in Canada, you're awesome. To whom it may concern, enclosed is 12 hats that I loomed for your Hat Not Hate campaign for National Bullying Prevention Month that is currently underway. This is my small contribution in helping you reach your goal for August 2019. Sylvia E. in New York, New York. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is awesome. Thank you so much, Sylvia, for your time and your effort. Oh, makes me so happy. This comes from Linda B. in California. 15 hats. You showed up today, Linda. Thank you. Thank you for these awesome hats. Cheryl M. from Florida. Again, another Florida one shows up. The hat is made of superwash yarn with a removable faux fur pom-pom. Best wishes for successful project, Cheryl. This straight up looks like a machine-made hat. Cheryl, is it machine-made? This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Cheryl, your stitches are on point, girl. I'm really into this hat. This is beautiful. What do we have here? Enclosed, please find some hand-knitted blue hats for the National Bullying Prevention in October. My sister-in-law showed me your YouTube video, and I'm honored to support such a worthy cause. Good luck, Marcia B. in Newark, New York. 13 blue hats. Thank you. See, this is what I'm talking about, guys. if you share this video with people that you know and just put it out there, there are people that will want to get involved. It's all about spreading the word. Thank you so much. I know that this is a shout out to my good friend at Nitty City from Pearl. She organized this from the seniors at the Chinatown VNS program. 15 hats. Oh my gosh, this one's really cute. There's an owl. This comes from Jean G in Connecticut. Jean G. 16 hats, Jean. You go, girl. Thank you so much. Wow, that's a lot of hats. Also very impressed that I balanced all those hats. Ooh, it's kind of heavy. Okay. Love this project. I tried to make one each day of Lent, but only managed to make 47 hats. Hope these are good enough to use. I'm still learning. Pat. Yes, they're fine. They're fine to use. I thank you for counting for me so I don't need to count all 47 of these. I'm speechless. That's hard. Pat, thank you so much. Also, beautiful card. Thank you very much, Pat H. in Oklahoma. I am so touched that you made a hat every day. That is really great. And your efforts are hopefully going to help me reach my goal. And hopefully all of your 47 hats will find a lovely head to keep warm in the winter, but also to empower these kids to stand up to bullying. Guys, thank you so much for sending in all your hats. Remember, the deadline for the blue hats, we're looking for 25,000, is August 1st. So keep on making those blue hats, and thank you to everyone today that I shouted out to for all your efforts and to all your time and to helping me make this campaign a real life thing. Hat Not Hate.